ladies and gentlemen. So you want to be a painter, right? Well, it takes bloody years. It's like a degree, right? I've got a job I did yesterday, which I'm going to show you in a minute, right? It's for a trader. So there's so many different levels of painting you can go to, right? You can do low-level trader work, good for consistency. You go right up to insurance work where you're getting paid thousands to do panels, right? All proper, you can, all that good stuff. And then there's all the shit in between, right? Your retail customers and stuff like that. Painting's getting very expensive, so people can't really afford to do it anymore. But I'm gonna show you a little video of a BMW I did yesterday. This car's gonna get sold, so we're just prepping it for sale, basically. So it hasn't had the full shebang, right? Stripping all the panels out, because if we did that, then the car isn't sellable and profitable for the customer that I've done it for, right? So he's buying cars, tidying them up, getting them sold, right? That's business, all right? So all you haters out there that think, oh, he didn't take the handle out or he didn't pull the trim off. Listen, it's not your business. It's not your business deal. It's not your workshop, right? And it's not the agreement made between you and the customer. It's between me and the customer, right? I'm just showing you what's being done. So let's get on with the video and I'll show you what it's all about. So this one had a little dent in the wing there, scuffed bumper corner. So this is all just going to get tied up. Two wheels all done around the edges. Little bit of peeling and cracking around the badge there. Little bit of rust that's come through an old paint job there. And then the door that's been scuffed at the bottom, right? This is it in filler, as you can see. That's an old job. That's my mate sleeping because he's lazy. Yeah, and this is it in base coat. So it's a pretty straightforward job, right? So we've gone round, we've prepped all the areas, we've masked them up, we've covered them in base coat, and now they're going to be ready for lacquering in a minute. So this is just a little video showing you what it looks like, right? So it's a good job. Yeah, cheap, affordable, and it enhances the look of the car. So all this like stripping everything down, way too expensive for business to business deals, right? So this is stuff that really goes on behind the scenes. Nothing dodgy here, it just is what it is, right? So it's more locally kept repairs. Obviously I've avoided taking the door handle out there because they're a bastard to get back in and we ain't got the time to do that. So this is it all done in lacquer, yeah? Looks clean, looks good, right? Nothing wrong with that at all. Lovely job. Right, then once this is all done, I'm just going to unmask it, refurbish and paint the wheels in a nice gloss black, and the car's tidied up, ready to go. At the end, a little quick polish and clean. That's it, lovely job. This is what it's all about, right? And if it was an insurance job, yeah, it'd strip everything off, break it all down, do all of that, swatch cards, right? But everything costs money. But yeah, look at those wheels, lovely, banging, beautiful. There you go, a few pictures there. Alright, so what I'll do in a few other videos is I'll actually take you through some of the repair processes and show you what that's all about. But there we go, customer happy. Lovely, Jamie, thank you very much, job done. See you on the next video.